I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual.
You're watching Niya. You gotta like, comment, subscribe. Say it simply Niya. And you're watching Niya. She not the ordinary one, she not a regular.
What's up, Niya babes? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I'm Niya. So, as you girls seen by today's title, your girl is going out. Your girl is going out, y'all. And I thought to myself, why not get ready with the babes? Period. So that's what we're gonna be doing in today's video. If you guys are new here, I'm Niya. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Get your girl to 1K, cause we on the road, okay? We on the road to 1K. And y'all stay tuned for the entire video so y'all can see me transform into a bad bitch, okay? So make sure y'all stay tuned. Right now, I just got out of the shower, as you guys seen. I'm about to moisturize and put my clothes on, and I'll get back with y'all. So your girl is finally done. Y'all want a quick view? So I'm gonna do this white shirt with these leather biker shorts. It says cute and curvy. Y'all seen this shirt before. Oh, y'all seen it when I did my Blushmark try on haul. Make sure y'all go check that out. And make sure y'all get one so y'all can be twinning with me and use my discount code in the link in the bio so y'all can get some money off. Period. But y'all, so first thing I feel like we should do before we start is tend to my head, because I can do my hair, wrap my hair, then finish what I need to do. So we're gonna get into that first. So I gotta get some loops. I know y'all see these braids is tied. Okay, they tied. Real tied. So we gonna do this first. Y'all, so let me tell you about my day while we do this. So today I woke up an hour early before my shift because why not? Why not clock in early, get some extra money? We need all this, okay? Hopefully my braids look better. Yeah, so today is my best friend's sibling's birthday. It's her brother's birthday. And then their older sister's birthday is tomorrow, I think. So we're doing something for both of them today. Well, tonight. And tonight we are going to club. I'm gonna be the youngest one there, and I'm gonna be the littest one there. Period. I'm gonna be partying like it's my birthday. They're gonna be like, somebody take Niya home. So I was thinking of doing a braid across the front, because I be a little aggravated when my hair falls and I don't want it to. Like, I like to keep it on the side like this. Or should I do let's try the braid first. We're gonna try the braid first because the other hairstyle I already know how it look. But what I was gonna say was a swoop or something, maybe. My man walked in, so I had to cut the video, but I didn't like the way that braid looked. So I'm just gonna stick with my swoop I be trying to not use so much hair in the swoop because it's like, it be too much. Let's see. So y'all, I told myself after tonight, my next day off, I'm taking a break to the house. I don't say nothing. But this is how it's looking. I'm gonna just stick with this. Cause yeah. The style I really want to do is the claw clamp, but these braids too tight for that. So okay, so I readjusted my ponytail in the back. Now it's time to do my edges, and I don't know how that will go because I'm hot right now, so hopefully it doesn't sweat up. But if it does, that's what we got this for. Sorry, I cannot multitask, especially, like, I can, but not when I'm really focused. That's why y'all will never see me do a mukbang. Because it's like, if this food is delicioso, I'm not gonna talk to nobody. I'm gonna dog this food though. For all my returning subscribers, just a little update. I still don't know how to do edges. But it's okay. And they say YouTube is your best friend when it comes to learning stuff, but I need it right in front of my face when it comes to something like this. And lashes and, you feel me, wigs. Yeah, show me in person. I'm a hands-on learner. Okay, the sealer. Cover my eyes and still got it in my eyes. What type of shit is that? Now let's tie her down. I do not wear makeup, so I'm not gonna do no full face of makeup. If you came here for that, I'm sorry. But I do my eyebrows and try to do a lip combo, but it all depends if it turns out good or not. So let's see. But I did recently just see a new combo, so I'm gonna try it. But first, you know, start off brushing out your eyebrows, getting that full brow out. Okay, and then you want to outline your eyebrow. So y'all, I've literally had this eyebrow stuff for years, like since I started doing eyebrows, because I don't do my eyebrows, literally only for special occasions. Why now that I'm doing my very first real get ready with me and I run out of liner? Like, that's the most important part. How do I run out of it? Anyways, good thing I had enough, just enough. When I use my concealers, I keep a white on deck because they're not the same color. I always clean my brush before I use it too. So we're gonna do dark on top, light on bottom. Y'all, I gotta be so careful because I don't have no more brow liner. Look at my mirror, it's so cute. I got this in my class as a Secret Santa gift. Okay, y'all see? Y'all see it getting sharper? I'm gonna do the other brow and then we'll get back with y'all. So, after 1,000 hours later, I finally got my eyebrows done. And y'all see it don't even look that good. But, I don't know. Like, it's always one that looks so much better than the other one. This one look good. You feel me? And then there's this one. Like, what? I don't even know what happens. But I'm in the process of about to try to put my lash on. Oh God, that's terrible. I can't even see the lash because of the lash. I'm struggling. At this point, do I even want lashes? I'm gonna have to get back with y'all again because this is gonna take a minute. So, y'all would not believe how long these lashes took to get on. And I'm gonna tell y'all why. First of all, these are brand new lashes and they're not mine. My friend left them at my house. So I'm like, I really need some lashes, but I'm not gonna have time to go to the store. So I'm not gonna use her lashes. These lashes are so extra and so dramatic and long. I couldn't even see my eyelid trying to put it on. But it's on. It's on. So now for the lip. I'm gonna try the lip combo I seen on TikTok. And y'all, look, I have brow stuff that I found looking for something else. So let's line my face. I mean my lips. Okay. And then she did a dab of concealer. Okay, let's line it a little more. It's coming along. Trust the process. And I actually really want to do a dab pink because I don't know, it gives me more natural. Like, okay, let's do pink bottom. And then concealer top. Y'all, what am I looking at? Oh, Carnex. Is it giving? I think it's giving a little bit. What y'all think? I think it like this. What y'all think? Hold on. Can you see it? Y'all see it? Okay. So let's see how the edges held up. Ah! Wah, wah, wah. Let's try to fix that. I felt like this one was gonna get messed up because when I put my scarf on, I just had that gut feeling. So, how you guys feeling the final look? I know y'all like, girl, get ready with me, but yeah, get ready with me, natural things, because I'm sorry, I don't know how to do a full face makeup. I just don't. So you're not gonna get it. But I mean, y'all still got ready with me. I think I look good. I wish I was in person. So I might get a couple clips of tonight. I don't know. Depends on how it goes. Depends on if I'm too lit to even remember. But just in case I don't make any clips, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, because we're on the road to 1K and we're almost there. So make sure y'all get me to 1K and follow me on TikTok so y'all can get some tips about YouTube. I just recently posted a video. A lot of people in the comments was asking me to make a thumbnail, which if you don't know, I have a video posted like a year ago or a few months ago, I don't remember, that I did do how to do a thumbnail. Yeah, that one right there. So if y'all ever need to know how to do a thumbnail, just go to that. And if it's not good, let me know, because I did update the way I do my thumbnails and I can do an updated video. But make sure y'all comment down below how y'all like my finished look, because I'm definitely getting lit tonight. I'm getting lit tonight. Make sure y'all subscribe, share this to y'all mama, daddy, sister, brother, auntie, uncle, because I'm on a road to 1K. So let's get me there. I need 1,000 Niya babes. Just give me 1,000. Well, I need 300. So we almost there, y'all. So give me to 1K and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
She precious, she the one that they begging for. You're watching Niya.